Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Schlage KIK 60 with another challenge lock by my buddy Steel Pinnings. It's a Schlage KIK 5-pin. This is the bidding, and that's actually the the code for the bidding on the key. And he found this after a fire burnt down a building, and he pinned it 9/15/16. And as you see, it works. I have it in a kick holder. Let's see if we can get into it. Very rusty. It's been 5 days for me. I'm not like some of you guys. I got to do this every day to not lose a little bit of feel that I have. Okay, that was 4 and gave me a little false set and a click, obviously. That was 3 and it gave me a false set and a little more movement. A lot of crunchiness in this. It's like a box of Rice Krispies. Let me switch to this to Forest Diamond. Very light tension, so much that there we go. I kind of fell asleep behind the wheel here and everything fell. Like again. Alright. Here we go. That was 3 again. Excuse me. Pretty sure I'm oversetting something. I'm very, very heavy-handed. All right, let's try again. All right, that was 5. A little movement. That was 2. 1. Give me a little click, but nothing moved. I want to apologize for not keeping up with the videos, and I dropped one of my hooks. Hope I won't need it. Anyway, sorry for not doing videos. Come on, baby. I feel you. And that was 1. It gave me a nice deep false set. And we're open. Oh, man. Ah, that is awesome. Awesome. Yeah, man. I mean, to open up, for me, opening up a steel pinnings challenge lock, man, there's nothing like it. Excuse me. In around 5 minutes or so, that's not too bad for this guy. Not too bad at all. All right, 1 second. Rolling down. Oh, man, this is awesome. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Wow, there we go. There we go, Charlie. All right. Let's see here. This is courtesy of my buddy Bobby Keys. Thank you, Bobby Keys. All right, man. I'm happy as a pig in crap. Excuse me. There's I gotta fix something here. OCD kicking in, you know. Sorry, guys. All right. Oh man. Come on, baby. That'll work for this. Probably not. All right, being I have the keys, let me lock it. Let me grab a broken pick I have here. I use specially for this. Oh man, this is awesome. Okay, Java, where's the key? Coolio. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go this way. Come on, baby. Well, all right, I'm not gonna force you. Yeah. All right. Oh, ha ha! You guys see that? Ball bearings and doodads right here. Oh man, looking nice and smooth. Let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like 1 and 5 are serrated. 2, 3, and 4, nothing. But it's kind of hard to tell with pins in it. Hold on 1 second. Let's go over here. Like that. Okay. Get that junk out of the way. Wow, that's really serrated. Let me grab these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Okay, let's see what we got here now. Come on, baby, focus. Yeah, okay. So anyway, yep. Oh, it's number 3 has a little countermilling going on. Okay. Wow, wow. Number one, well, you know what? Let's do this. Let's get these puppies out of here. That's pin and pin. Okay. Up here. What the heck? Oh, that's a pen and pen. All right, let's see. All right, a little bit long video here, but I'm gonna get these springs out in right sequence. Okay, that's copper one. Steel and two. Copper and three. That's in 5 and 4. Ah, it landed in there the way it should have. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. In the Bible, chambers 1, 3. No, 1, 2 is serrated and countermill. There's a spring that won't come out, number 3. And then five is countermill and 4 is serrated. So actually, these go over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say, did he have 2 springs? Hold on a second, guys. I think he had an extra. No, I thought he had an extra spring in there, but no. Okay. My apologies. Like I said, I am rusty. Alright, let's get in a little closer, please. Alright. Number 1 is a serrated key pin. Number 2 is serrated. Number 3, a triple serration there. Number 4 serrated and 5 serrated. And number 1 up top is a spool or a pin and pin with the outer sleeve is a spool serration. This is a serrated. This is a serrated spool. That is a spool, and this is a pin and pin. Uh-oh, it's more than a pin and pin. Yeah, wow. Holy crap. That's a pin and pin with a serrated sleeve and an extra sleeve. All right, and then up here we have copper, steel, 2 coppers, and another steel. All right, guys. Man, I am rusty. I'm going to have to make another video right after this one. Because I am rusty as hell. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me in this adventure. Steel Pinnings, thank you for this lock. Unfortunately, this lock is not going anywhere. It's staying in my collection. This is a gift from Steel Pinnings to me, and I'm keeping it. Steel Pinnings, thanks again. Everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like and share. And stay legal. Stay safe. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Man, I am rusty. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.